Ever feel lost in the tech world? Kind of like you're wandering through a maze blindfolded.
Yeah, definitely. It's easy to get overwhelmed.
Totally. And today, we're diving deep into something that can be a total game changer. Mentorship.
Sounds good.
We've got this awesome text that makes a pretty bold claim. It says that self-learning alone, yeah, it's important, but
It's not enough.
exactly,
Eh.
especially in tech. So, in this deep dive, we're going to tackle that head on. Why isn't self-learning enough? And how can different types of mentors, like, seriously supercharge your tech journey
Right, because tech changes so rapidly.
all the time? It's like every time you blink, there's a new language, a new framework. It can feel impossible to keep up.
It is. This text really pushes back against that idea of going it alone. It's like, why try to reinvent the wheel when you can have someone guide you? Someone who's already navigated those twists and turns. I mean, think about it. Remember Flash?
Oh yeah, Flash was everywhere.
And then poof, gone.
Vanished.
Designers, developers, everyone had to scramble to learn something new. A mentor can help you anticipate those industry shifts,
Yep.
avoid those pitfalls.
And maybe even open doors you didn't know existed.
Exactly. Opportunities you wouldn't stumble upon just browsing the web.
The source uses this really cool metaphor. It calls a mentor a life bank.
Oh, yeah, I love that.
What do you think they mean by that? It's like they're investing in you, right?
It is an investment. They're saying mentors, they don't just give you the technical stuff. They provide that emotional support. Because learning new things can be tough.
Absolutely. And I bet they give you encouragement, especially when you hit those inevitable roadblocks.
Oh, for sure. And a mentors network, that's huge. You can tap into their connections as you're building your own career.
That's invaluable.
Yeah.
So it's not just about the hard skills, it's about having someone in your corner.
Definitely. Someone who's been there, done that.
Been through it all.
And this text, it breaks it down even further. 5 key types of mentors.
5. Okay, let's hear it.
First up, we've got the career mentor. Think of them as your map and compass. They help you navigate the whole tech landscape.
I like that. But what if I'm just starting out and I don't even know which direction I want to go?
That's actually the perfect time for a career mentor.
Really?
Yeah, they can give you a glimpse into different roles. Like, are you interested in development, design, project management? A good career mentor, someone who's senior in their field, they can walk you through what each path actually entails.
That's super helpful. And maybe even connect you with people who are already doing that work.
Absolutely. It's all about getting that insider perspective.
Okay, so once you have a path in mind, that's where the skills mentor comes in, right?
You got it.
They're the ones who help you actually build those specific technical chops.
Right. Let's say you want to be a back-end developer. Your skills mentor might be a senior developer who can guide you as you learn, I don't know, Python, Java, help you actually build something.
So, career mentor for direction, skills mentor for the actual know-how. But let's be real, tech can be all-consuming.
It is.
Is that where the life mentor comes in?
Yes, it's so easy to get caught up in the hustle. The life mentor reminds you that there's more to life than just code.
Right. Like you need to take care of yourself too.
Exactly. They can help you find that elusive work-life balance, manage the stress that comes with this kind of field, and even, encourage you to pursue those hobbies, those things that keep you grounded.
Yeah. Especially in tech, it's way too easy to burn out. A life mentor can help you avoid that.
Totally.
And I feel like that's something we don't talk about enough. Like we're always focused on the next big project, the next deadline. But what about our well-being?
Yeah, this text does a great job of highlighting that. And then there's the peer mentor.
A peer mentor.
Someone who's walking a similar path as you, maybe just a few steps ahead.
I see. So they get it.
They do. They get the challenges. They celebrate your wins. You can bounce ideas off each other.
Yeah, because they've been in your shoes.
Exactly. They've been there. And then last but not least, we have the accountability mentor.
Oh, okay. What do they do?
So imagine you're learning, let's say, a new coding language. You're taking an online course, but it's tough to stay motivated.
Oh, I know that feeling.
The accountability mentor, they'll help you set a schedule. Check in on your progress. Make sure you're actually hitting those milestones.
Oh, so they're like your personal cheerleader.
Exactly. But one that also keeps you accountable.
I love how this text says that each mentor type can offer something unique because it just shows there's no one-size-fits-all.
Right. It's like building your mentorship toolbox. You need different tools for different tasks.
And you might need a different mix of mentors, depending on what stage you're at, what goals you're working towards.
Totally. Your needs will evolve.
So, to sum it all up, self-learning, it's crucial. But mentorship, it can really unlock a whole new level in tech. This text even says, and I'm quoting here, if you're serious about starting in tech, find a mentor who's willing to help you on your journey. So I want to ask you, what's one step you can take this week to start building your own mentorship network?
That's a good question.
Could you reach out to someone you admire,
You could?
join a professional group, attend a virtual event, or even just, strike up a conversation with someone you follow online?
There are so many ways to connect these days. And remember, mentors, they want to see you succeed. They were once in your shoes. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance.
Yeah, you got this. And hey, maybe we'll see each other at the top.
At the top.
With the help of our awesome mentors, of course.
Of course.